So, here we are with the sun again. It is never ending, isn't it? Okay. First up, a 3mm bulb, right? Let's get this fact straight right now. If we brought the sun down here, right, and it kept its properties, right, and we kept everything to scale, I have to keep repeating this because I don't know what they've been teaching you people in school, right? But this is supposed to be very easy to work out, okay? We bring the sun down from the sky. We shrink it down. And as we shrink the sun, we shrink the distance between the sun and Earth, and we shrink the Earth's diameter. When we get all the way down to a 3mm sun, everything else has been kept in the same ratio. Everything is in proportion to how it was when it was 150 million kilometers, 1,390,000 kilometers for the diameter of the sun, and 12,742 kilometers for the diameter of Earth. Right. 3mm, a 3mm sun and a 26 micrometer Earth. We don't even see it. Earth is so small, it's smaller than a speck of dust. We've got 32.4 centimeters. That is the correct distance for the distance between Earth and Sun with a 3mm bulb. Okay, now because it's to scale, everything is going to be exactly the same time-wise. It's going to take the same amount of time for the sun to radiate its light. But when we look at it closely, it's impossible because nothing radiates its light that slowly. So we straight away have a problem, okay? We have a problem because what they're telling us about the sun up there, it doesn't happen down here, right? It's physically impossible. So something's wrong, okay? And it's not us down here that's wrong, right? We've kept everything in proportion, we've brought it down, and we expect the sun to take 8 minutes and 20 seconds. But when we look at it closely, no, it can't. It's impossible. So it's wrong. They're either stupid or they're lying, okay? So that is the bottom line here. I've got into this enough now. They're either really stupid or they're lying. It's one of the two. There is no number three, okay? This is a 3mm bulb. This is what our bulbs do down here when they have a diameter of 3mm. Bang, okay? And in the dark, this will go on that board and onto the wall, onto the edge of the shed over the other side. So, what's going on? If this bulb went up and was blown up to 1,390,000 kilometers, like the diameter of the sun, and it behaved the same as it does down here, you've got absolute light, okay? It is absolute light. Now we cannot prove, we can't blow this up like the sun, right? Obviously. But when we shrink the sun and keep its properties down here, that doesn't work. So what is the more logical? It can't be that. It cannot be the sun coming down here because it doesn't work. So the logical choice is this blowing it up to 1,390,000 kilometers, and you've got absolute light because it will keep its properties as they are, right? That's one big cross for 299792, like it's off, okay? Now, a few of you people, the ones that keep going, yeah, you don't understand the science, I suggest you shut up, okay? Because you don't understand keeping things to scale, right? A basic exercise, keeping things to scale. Now I'm going to show you another one, keeping things to scale. We cannot take our bulb up there because it's obvious that it's absolute light, all right? They don't want that, do they? They like to keep control of the universe and just control everything, right? And obviously relativity is involved because that's going to just take a big dump, right? It's an absurdity. They're either stupid or they are lying. There is no number three, okay? The sun. Look at this. Where's the light? Oh, why do you keep disappearing on me? Right, here we go. Now, I am going to attempt to race the light from this bulb. I'm going to try and race it down to the fence line and back, okay? Right, so you've got Paul Russell on the left hand lane, we've got the 60-watt bulb on the right hand lane. On your mark, get set, bang. It's there and back, it's gone, boom. I don't even move. I don't even move. What chance have I got of catching the light that's radiating from this bulb? Zero. Now, I had a growth spurt overnight, and I'm now 1,390,000 kilometers tall. I am as tall as the diameter of the sun. So you guys are all used to your hypotheticals, theoreticals, you're just making it up as you go along. You can do this. That's the sun. It's the sun, 1,390,000 kilometers in diameter. It's me, 1,390,000 kilometers tall. Same as the sun, right? So if I got blown up, not Superman, just keep my properties, right? Walking, etc. How difficult would it be for me to stay away from the rays of this sun, right? If it radiates its light at 4.6 seconds per diameter. I kick its ass. The light will never reach me. It's going to radiate its light in 3, 2, 1. Look, I'm gone. I've already gone, right? And it's only just reached the first diameter, 4.6 seconds. What's he talking about? Tell you what I'm talking about. I am talking about to scale. If I kept my properties and got blown up, right, and had the same height as the diameter of the sun, pound for pound, the sun is nothing. It's got nothing. It has nothing. Because they say it takes 4.6 seconds to radiate light the distance of its diameter. At 299,792 kilometers per second, that is what the sun does. It's impossible. All of this stupid stuff that you're seeing now, you're seeing me do, comparing myself to the sun, it's because of the speed of light. It's impossible. The sun radiates absolute light. It's obvious, okay? It's a star. It's a star. It's not more powerful than the bulb, is it? At the moment, it is. Because when that sun comes down here and keeps its properties that it uses up there, it has got nothing. It's got nothing because it would take the sun 4.6 seconds for its light to get to here. But our bulbs, gone, right? Now, like I said, they're either really stupid or they're lying. Why don't you ask your most popular astrophysicist? Which one is it? Are they lying or is he just stupid? Because they're the people that keep going on about this. They're the people that keep saying there is light without a source. They're the people that say if the sun went out, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes and 20 seconds because that's how long it would take for the light to disappear, right? That's all BS. There is no light without a source. They need to start proving things, okay? Ask them. Ask them if they're lying or if they're stupid and show them this. They're all ignoring me and I haven't even heard from the History Archive people either, right? This is what they do. My numbers are correct. The way I work this out is correct. So why don't you ask your teachers or professors, for those of you that are still at college, at uni, ask some questions, please, okay? I'll be back.